Maybe that's all I speak in Spanish. No, I can count too.
Oh, yeah, up to 10.
Yeah.
Okay, I am Cindy.
Debbie.
We are sisters in stitches.
And we are here to do Cindy's Stitch Fix.
No, it's
No.
not.
What? No. Thread up.
Did you read our script?
Thread up. Sorry, she gets so many friggin' boxes, I never know which one we're doing.
Well, ThreadUp is not a subscription service. You just order one when you want. And so I wanted to get just one more before our vacation. And I picked out 7 or 8 of the items, and they picked out 2. So we'll see how they did versus how I did. So there's some possibilities. I got some dresses. I was looking for summer dresses, but we will get started. But I was really excited when ThreadUp started doing plus sizes. So if any of you didn't know that they do, go check it out. I'll send you a link down below. Okay, this is from Stylist Company, which I know Macy's sells, but it's a really pretty peach colored, like little lacy lined top.
The estimated retail full face value is $59. Cindy can purchase it for $15.99, so $16.
But I think that I really like this dress, but I think it's too tight. And I don't want to buy clothes that I know that I'm gonna, in 10 pounds, they're gonna look great.
You don't buy things in the hope of getting maybe
'cause
one piece, but you don't keep buying them till you get there. Cause
Yeah.
maybe by the time you fit into that, the summer's gonna be over and you're gonna be into fall clothes. Now that's sitting for a whole year.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna try it out. See if it fits me.
I better look at the video. You might just want this dress.
No, I would never do
So
that
what
to
was
you.
the price? Not the retail price, but the ThreadUp price on this?
$16, $15.99.
Yeah. So it's a really cute dress for $16, and I think it'll look good on Debbie because she's got much narrower hips than I do. So I don't think that this is a keeper for me.
Maybe for me though, ThreadUp. Don't worry.
Now here's a top from Eloquii, which I love Eloquii. So I order from their website often when they're having their big clearance
this
sales.
retails for $71. Cindy can get it for $19.
So I love the color. It's one of my favorite colors.
Color's great. It didn't fit her at all.
Yeah, it has these spaghetti straps with this elastic waist.
A seersucker waist.
Yeah, but the problem that I had, and maybe I'm wearing it wrong, I don't know, but the sleeves on this, as you can see from the video, every time I would put my arms up, they were just like up in my face, and that would drive me crazy.
I hate when I wear a shirt that doesn't stay where it's supposed to go.
But I
So
like
you're constantly all night long, you're tugging at your shirt.
I like the length of this top for summer, but I don't think that as much as I love this brand and love this color, I don't think I can keep it because honest to God, that collar would drive me insane. Because it would just look like I'm wearing a stole
that's a
or
no.
something. That's a no.
The next thing up.
Whoopa. Oh, look, there's a stain on this one. Didn't even notice that.
Well, that's a big no.
But
It was too clingy on her anyway.
yeah, this was from Cable and Gauge, and I do like their brands. I get it from Fashion every once in a while. Isn't that a cute color?
This retails for $60, and Cindy can purchase this shirt for $26. That's
With a
the most.
stain?
That's the most expensive shirt in the box, or most expensive thing in the box.
Wow. I do like the little knit things. It would have been cute for summer, but way too clingy, and there's a stain on it. So that ain't gonna happen because it says new with tags. But I love the color.
That's probably just something that guy got. You could probably. It's not a stain. It's like a mark.
Well, yeah, that's
Probably
dirty or
wash right
something.
off.
But again, it's way too clingy for my comfort, so that ain't happening.
Next up,
You know, I had to borrow this shirt from Debbie because I didn't bring enough.
and her tatas are a lot bigger than mine.
All right, here's another top from Stylist Company, and I love their pants, so that's
I gotta
why
be careful sitting next to her when she's showing these clothes. Man, she almost poked me in the eye. She almost elbowed me in the other video.
So, isn't this top just... I really like the print and the color
It
of
looks
this
like
top.
a maternity shirt on you.
Yeah, that's what she said. Now, I have to look at the video. This is not really an off-the-shoulder top. It's kind of like a...
Boat neck like.
Yeah,
A wide
which
boat
I
neck.
would wear a bralette with it. And
She likes saying that. A bralette. She made me get 2 of them. I'll never wear the stupid things because I have no idea how to wear a bralette.
You wear them with like
Yeah,
off
I know
the
you told me
shoulder,
that. I know
like-
you told me that, but I don't wear off the shoulder shirts. What am I gonna do with them? They're still sitting in my drawer with the price tags on. Go ahead.
So, depending on what you guys think, I don't know. I haven't seen myself in another face from Debbie. So I guess this is a big question mark based on Debbie's face.
People are gonna be asking her, "When are you due?"
At my age, I'm saying it's a miracle. Any day now. Thanks for noticing.
I like to carry mine in my trunk.
How much was this top? Not retail, but
What's the name of it?
it is Styling Company.
Styling Company short sleeve blouse. I don't understand it. It retails for $59 and they were charging $24 for it. I don't think I'd pay $24 for it brand new.
All right. Well, it is brand new.
No, whatever. I mean, like if I went into a store, I wouldn't even pay that much for it.
All right. This
I like
is
this shirt. I wish this would've fit you.
CJ Banks, which is a nice brand, but I
Yeah.
couldn't even try this on you guys because it was just way
It's a
too
cute
tight.
shirt though.
I
I'm
know.
gonna try it on because if it fits me, I'm taking
Of
it.
course. But I did like it, and that's
I
why
did
I put
too.
it in my cart.
I love
So
it.
cute. But I don't know CJ Banks
Sizing system.
sizing. It just says X.
X.
So maybe it's a 1X with just one X
I don't know.
on it.
I'll try it on and let you know.
So darn it, how much was it?
It's only $16.
Oh, okay. So that's nice. That's nice. Now here come the dresses. Now this dress is by Eloquy, again, one of my favorite brands.
This dress retails for $95 and you can purchase it for $24.
Yes, and it's a little bit heavier knit, and it's not really a springy dress, maybe very early spring. I really like this. I wish I could have seen myself in it. What did it look like to you?
It was kind of
quickly?
tight
With a jacket? I don't
around
know.
your bot, the front bottom half.
Oh,
Like,
okay. Look that way.
So
they can't
I-
hear you when you're talking into your
I think
armpit.
it's a little tight around under the belly button area. I don't know what to call it. But
right.
I think with the right cincher thing, I think you could pull it off.
All right, tell me how much it was. Again, you said $90, but what was my price?
$95, and you can purchase it for $24.
So I'll have to look back at it because I really like the quality and the color of this dress. So
I
that's
think if
more
you
of
put a really fun pink florally scarf that hung down to kind of camouflage that little problem area.
camouflage my sucky.
You could,
and,
you could wrap it around, camouflage the sucky, and then have it hang way down and sell it and kind of camouflage the bumpy.
All right, for those of you that don't know, one of our viewers in the UK, I don't know if she's in the UK, but
I don't know. She just told us. I said I was going to mention her name too. I think it was Diane, but she said just so you ladies know, she called it a crepe neck, is called a sucky in the UK. So Cindy and I were making fun of our suckies the other video, and I think I heard something trying to stretch mine out.
all right, here's another dress from City Chic.
This look cute on you.
And it's new, it's got tags.
This retails for $119,
Yeah.
and Cindy can pick it up for $24 today if she wants it.
Yeah, and I like it. I wanted, because this is kind of a little bit dressier, but not too dressy. I could wear it to work with a white jean jacket.
You can wear that in Ireland, like if we go to a pub, she can put that on with some cute black flats and a little black like sweater or a white sweater or pink sweater, whatever
And I
over
like
it.
the zipper in the back. I think it's cute. I wish it would have been a silver zipper, but... So I think this fit okay.
Yeah, it
kind
did.
of hid
It
things
did.
that needed to be hid. So I think I'm going to get that, for sure.
Yeah, I like that one on you.
All right.
It was a nice wagon hider.
I can tell you...
If my husband called tunic shirts on me, he'd say, "Oh, I'm getting another wagon hider, I see." Isn't that funny? Anyway, go ahead.
All right, this I did not put in my cart. It looks like a nightgown. It feels like a nightgown, but it's not. It's from Isabel and Alice,
Isabel and Alice.
and it's just a very long,
believe it or not,
stretchy.
this retails for $119 in a store. No way! But she could pick it up for $16 today.
It looks like
$120
my
for that.
grandkids had an art project. I do like Isabel and Alice. I have one dress that I got from Goody that I purchased outright from Isabel and Alice, but this looks like an art project gone bad. So
People with amazing talent putting clothes together probably would know how to make this work and make it look really cute.
But you know,
we don't have that talent.
You know,
if I don't see it on a mannequin,
for $16 though, I might keep it as a nightgown. Seriously. It's like a little bit heavier knit.
Oh yeah.
I mean, that's what I spend on my nightgowns at Target and Walmart anyway. So I'll have to look at it on. If it's okay, I might just buy it for
A nightgown.
a nightgown. Yeah.
All right, is that it?
No, got two more. Now this is a dress they threw in, but I actually like it.
We were making fun of it at first, and then Cindy put it
Yeah.
on. I'm like, hey, I kind of like that on you with some turquoise and orange colored sandals. How
Yeah,
cute.
it's kinda-
Especially if they were black. That would look fabulous.
It has a high-low hem, and I think I've got turquoise earrings and turquoise flats or turquoise, beaded.
But like black flats that go between your toes, and what's coming up your toe is, if she finds orange and turquoise, oh, God, it would be so cool. Oh.
And it's flowy enough, so.
It does look cute. I think it looks cute on you, and you can wear it in the summertime. Like Cindy and I spend a lot of time at the lake. When you get off the boat after being in a wetsuit all afternoon, you don't want anything around underneath that's gonna.
Yeah, you can be free flowing.
Yeah, so that would be really cute for her to throw that on for the evening.
Yes.
Is that it?
Nope. One more dress. I picked out this, but it's not.
I don't like the color, and I didn't like the way it fit you.
It's not exactly how I thought it was going to be. This is an olive green,
Gotta wash those hands.
heavier knit dress. It's sleeveless.
Yeah.
And it is by Suzanne Beatro. How much is this?
It retails for $96, and you can pick it up today for the low price of $17.
So it might be cute for the fall, but you can't really wear a sweater or anything with it because of the back, the tie on the back. And I don't think it's a summer dress. So for that reason, because I can't wear a jacket or a cardigan with it,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. So I think all in all, I know that if you spend $75 with ThredUp, they give you a $10 credit towards your next box. And I will put a code down below that if you want to try it out and just kind of look. They have so many different boxes that you can pick. You can have a stylist pick everything. You can pick items. They have theme boxes. And they have so many different boxes, and it's $10, and you do get refunded the $10. So there's some possibilities in this box, so I'm kind of happy. I mean, some of my choices panned out. So
ThredUp is kind of fun. It's kind of like going to a thrift store, a hit or miss type of thing.
yeah, it really is. So you can spend a lot of time shopping, but I think the items have to be $15.99 now, and they have to be within your local ThredUp warehouse or something, so things are limited. But all in all, there's a couple pieces I'll keep out of here, but let me know what you guys think. And I know this video was kind of long because it's 10 pieces, but Debbie's going to get 2 pieces out of this. What is she complaining about?
I might get 2 pieces out of it. We'll see how they fit.
All
Anyway,
right.
thanks for tuning in with us. We have a couple more videos to do for you tonight.
You see that
So-
annoying little thing down here by Debbie's little boob? Yeah.
Little boob?
No, the little thing by
Debbie's little boob. See a little thing down here by Debbie's little boob?
I meant the little thing down here.
That's not what you said.
I know it's not
Just
what I
because you're
said.
falling out of my shirt, those 2 gents are gonna like it. That's for sure. You're gonna get a big smiley face on that one.
Yeah, better hit the subscribe button then.
All right, ladies and 2 gents, thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next video.
All right, have a good evening.